Good morning, folks. I was looking into the future temperature outlook, and it seems like next week we'll have some really favorable temperatures move into the Midwest, all the way into the Mid Atlantic. Uh, it's looking like it's anywhere from 8 to 13 degrees below normal, anywhere in that green shaded area. And that would mainly be between May 21st and May 27th. Now, when exactly does that come in? Well, this here, right over top of the Mid-Atlantic, if you notice the difference in temperatures from the left side to the right side, that is on Sunday. So it would come into the Midwest early into the weekend, and then by Sunday, the temps would be crashing over into the Appalachian Mountains towards the coast. This is the Euro model. Now, this is the Canadian model. Not too big of a discrepancy between the temperatures, but if you look at the GSF, kind of gives it, it shows like a 30-degree temperature swing. Now, I don't think it'll be that drastic, but that's just what the GSF was showing on this morning's run. Now, if we look here, this is the 700 millibar on the GSF, and you can see how it moves in from the western side over to the east coast over that time span. You can see that cold air move in. So like I said, you're looking at 8 to 13 degrees below normal, which should be comfortable temperatures. I imagine it'll probably bring some rain with that too. Haven't looked into that part of it yet. But nevertheless, some nice temperatures should be in store for next week. I don't see any freezing temps, though, or frost, so that's good. All right, guys, you have a good one.